Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to access Instagram account data. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom, and now in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on your activity, just click on it, and now in here you just click on download your information. And now in here you can write your email, active email. So you just click, you can write the active email, and after this, in here you can request a download. Okay, and after this, in here you can add your Instagram password. Okay, after you add your Instagram password, so you just click on the next at the top, click on it. Why my password is incorrect? Okay, why? Okay, I try again. Wait few before you try again. Okay. Okay, and after this, in here I you can open your Gmail, and in here you can see the Gmail data for the data on information at your Instagram. So that's how to access Instagram account data. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.